Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel, Mostly Soulful. So today we are going to prepare smoked tandoori chicken. Now for the chicken marination, here I have taken around 1.5 kilo chicken. I have few bigger pieces here. I'm going to add around 1.5 tablespoon of curd, 2 tablespoons of chicken masala, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1.5 tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste each, some amount of food color and salt according to taste. Now I've added around 3 baggy chilies. Now I'm going to top it up with around 2 tablespoon of oil, and here I'm going to mix it properly. Here you have to give it a nice mix to the masala. Now once you have mixed it properly, I have added around 25 grams of butter. Now I'm going to close the lid and keep it for marination for about 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, you can see that the marination is done. Now I'm going to keep it on the stove on a higher flame and cover the lid and let it cook. Now after 15 minutes, you can see this is almost been cooked. Again you let it cook until the chicken gets tender. Now here you can see it's cooked and the chicken is all tender enough. Here I am going to add around 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup to give it a nice saucy flavor. Now I'm going to give it a nice stir to this. Give it a nice stir and cover the lid and cook it for again 5 more minutes. Now here I've taken a strainer and I'm going to put in 2 coals here. I have long coals. You can even use the square part of the coal. Here you have to heat the coal until it is red hot. Here you can use a plunger here to heat the coal properly. Here you can see coal is getting heated. Here you can see the coal is properly heated almost. Now once the coal is heated, I'm going to keep a steel bowl inside this. Then I'm going to put in the coals into this. Now you need not put on the stove. Now here I am going to pour around 2 tablespoons of oil. Here you can see the smoke already. Now since I have an opening in the lid, I am going to cover it with some dough so the smoke doesn't come out. Now you let the smoke be there for around 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, you can see our smoked tandoor chicken is ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share.